Hey everyone, I know it's been a while. I've been away for about 5 months, but I'm so excited to be back. If you are new here, my name is Milka K, and on this channel I share hair tutorials, tips and everything beauty related. So if that's your vibe, make sure you hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved these beautiful boho braids using Spanish bulk hair for the curls and Brazilian wool for the the braids. Now, maintaining this hairstyle is where the work comes in. A lot of people don't realize that, and sometimes it's because their hairstylist didn't tell them. But that's exactly why I am here, to guide you through everything you need to know. So, to keep these curls looking soft and fresh, you can use any curling cream, for example Cantu, or you can use hair mousse, or even a good leave-in treatment. I actually wore this style for 2 whole months and it still held up really well. So that's the tips to maintain this hairstyle, boho braids, because it can really tangle depending on the curls you are using on your braids. So that's exactly what I use, and it really works really well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm so glad to have you here. Stay tuned, watch this video till the end, give it a like, comment and subscribe. So stay tuned, more videos are coming soon.